The 2023 Pagani Huayra R is a track-only hypercar that is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.0-liter V12 engine that produces 850 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. The engine is mated to a 6-speed sequential manual transmission. The Huayra R weighs just 2,756 pounds, which gives it a power-to-weight ratio of 313 horsepower per ton. The Huayra R is equipped with a variety of track-focused features, including a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, a fully adjustable suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes. The car also has a large rear wing and diffuser that generate up to 1,000 kilograms of downforce at top speed. In terms of performance, the Huayra R can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds and reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour. The car has also been tested on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, where it set a lap time of 6 minutes and 43.616 seconds. The 2023 Pagani Huayra R is a limited edition car, with only 30 units being produced. The car is priced at $3.6 million. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 2023 Pagani Huayra R. Pros: incredible performance, track-focused design, hand-built craftsmanship, limited production. Cons: very expensive, not street legal, requires a skilled driver. Overall, the 2023 Pagani Huayra R is a one-of-a-kind hypercar that is designed for the track. It is powered by a powerful V12 engine and has a variety of track-focused features. However, it is also very expensive and not street legal.